Right, you coupled on, Harry? Yeah, I'm all sorted. We're good to go.
Serves you. Oh, bother. On top of your childish behaviour causing a terrible accident, you've set this whole airport back 2 weeks. What do you have to say for yourself? I didn't think. Oh, you never do. And you can start thinking now whilst you're back on your own branch line with fewer passengers. Because thanks to this, the airport won't be finished in time for the summer. Oh,
for
come
goodness
on,
sake,
seriously?
Thomas.
I can't believe this.
I thought I could trust you and the Diesels to work with each other, but you've disappointed me.
Yes, sir. Sorry, sir.
I'd say go and stay in the shed, but we all know that's out of the question, don't we? It's just one problem after another this summer. James, take these roof remains to the scrapyard.
Yes, sir.
James? James? James!
Yeah?
I said slow down. We're coming to the scrapyards.
Oh, right. Sorry. Oh, dear.
There's our siding.
What?
For the trucks, James.
Oh, yeah.
All right, Harry. Points are set. Back him up. All right.
Oh, dear. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up.
All right. Calm down. I'm aboard.
Whoa, 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 James, take it easy. I've got to get away, gotta get away.